just got done running it. Give you a description of its combination. Obviously, Borla. This is stack injection. It's got a set of our cylinder heads on it. It's got one of our custom grind high rollers, custom pistons. It's got the Aviaid correct oil pan. It's going in a GT40, so it's got our GT40 front end. Obviously, it's Holley Terminator X. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 493 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 525. Peak horsepower 508. We're rated at 500. It's got a front end, so everything's good. Get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.